Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I want to go over my experience with the Motorola Edge 2022 for the last week. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I just want to go over my experience with the Motorola Edge 2022 for the last about week and a half now, and give everyone an update on my experience. We're going to discuss the display, the cameras, battery life, the Dimensity 1050 chipset, and anything else I want to put into this video. If you have the Motorola Edge 2022, let me know in the comments, or if you're thinking about getting it, let me know. Let's have a friendly discussion. But let's get into this video. The first thing I want to talk about is the beautiful display on this phone. Is it the best panel in the world? No, it is not, but it does have 144 refresh rate on here. It runs smooth. I haven't had any hiccups. I do have it on auto, so been saving battery life, but as far as any hiccups, it actually runs really good. Watching YouTube or even Netflix on this phone works great. Also with the speakers on here, the dual speakers are good on here. I wish they was a little bit louder and a little bit more, has a little bit more bass in there. But for what you pay for this phone, the speakers are not bad either. And that display gets pretty bright during daylight. Like in the Texas middle of the day, I didn't have any problem seeing what I was filming, or if I was trying to use an app, I didn't have any problems with that display. I mean, look at it. It's pretty good. I do like how it's a flat panel, so, you know, getting a screen protector will be easy, and the flat panels are pretty cool too. All right, the next thing I want to talk about is the chipset, the Dimensity 1050 from MediaTek. I was a little weary about it. I didn't think it would perform well. I got a couple comments in my video saying that it should perform well, and it actually does. Playing heavy games, you can check out my gaming review on the top right here, or in the description I will leave it. The gaming review was really good. I didn't have any problems playing games. The phone didn't overheat. Battery life was good during the game, so and then just everyday use with the chipset has been great. Now this phone has a couple things that the Pixel 6a doesn't have. Now the Pixel 6a is a little bit cheaper than this phone right now, but this phone has the ability to do wireless charging and also reverse wireless charging, which is pretty cool for a phone like this, especially for Motorola at this price point. I think that's actually a great features to have on your phone. I wish it did have some type of like waterproofing, like IP68. It has like the splash guard on there, so you definitely don't want to go swimming or drop this phone in some water somewhere. So that's one downfall. The battery life has been really good. I probably can get almost 2 days off of the battery if I push it. Now normally it's about a day, day and a half. So right now, I've been, off the charger for a while now, about 8 hours ago, and almost got 4 hours of screen time with 51% battery, which is not too bad. I've been getting about a day and a half off the charge, probably longer if I want to push it, but as long as I can take my phone off in the morning time and charge it at night, I'm perfectly fine with that. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I mean, what is good battery life for you? Each time you talk about battery life is so subjective. Somebody might have great battery life, someone might have horrible battery life. It just depends on how you use your phone overall. Using it as an everyday phone, texting on it, making phone calls, checking emails, doing everything that you do on a phone, it's great. I haven't had any problems with it. I love that it's basic Android. It's pretty much stock Android with some of their Motorola features like the flashlight, chop, and also the camera twist. They have the normal things that you would get on a Motorola phone. All right, let's move into the two weakest points on this phone. The overall build of this phone, that plastic back or whatever material this is on the back, I don't like it. It does attract fingerprints. It just, even the phone's weight on here, it doesn't feel premium when you look at like the Pixel 6a or even the Pixel 6, or either other phones that I had in the same price range as this, doesn't feel as premium. The second and probably the most weakest point is these cameras here. And then the front camera there. Probably one of the weakest points there is just they don't perform as well as I think they should. When I put it against the Pixel 6a, you could tell that in the video department, it just couldn't hang with it. I just wanted more from the cameras. Now, are they horrible? Are they like the T-Mobile Revel cameras? No, they could definitely be a little bit better. I really just wanted more out of the cameras. I guess maybe I'm a camera nerd, or when you're coming from, you know, the Samsung Fold, or even the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Maybe that's part of it. I just think the cameras overall probably could be a little bit stronger. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the software, maybe it's the lenses they use, but I wanted more out of the cameras. The stabilization on the video looks shaky, at least what I was seeing when I was filming it. So I just wanted more from the cameras. All right, let's wrap this video up. Overall, I am enjoying my experience with the Motorola Edge 2022. I think overall it's a great phone. If you like Moto phones, then you will really enjoy it. I do wish and hope that they continue to keep the price at $499. For me, this phone is now worth $599, and it would price it out of where it should be. You can't compete at $599. So hopefully Motorola listens to everyone and keeps it at $499, or even make a deal and knock off another $50. Because at $449, it's probably one of the good phones out there that you can buy, use it, maybe as a trap phone. But overall, the experience with it, the display, the speakers on here, everything else has been really good so far. So if you want to check it out, the link's in the description. If you want to watch any other videos I made, check out the playlist I have for the Motorola Edge 2022. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Motorola Edge 2022. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at ForZReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. The other problem too, don't have many case options either from case manufacturers. So that's one issue too. I've been rocking it pretty much like this all the time. So I need the case companies to come out there and make some great cases. But that's it. End of the video. Y'all have a great day. Peace.